Welcome to Hotcoin. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to check your VIP level, understand the VIP benefits, and learn how to upgrade faster for even better rewards. To check your VIP level, open the Hotcoin app. On the home page, tap the profile icon in the upper left corner. Then tap the VIP badge, the button right below your avatar that shows a V. Here you'll see your current VIP tier, your 30-day trading volume, and your asset balance required for upgrading. Hotcoin's VIP system rewards you with lower fees and higher withdrawal limits as you advance. Here's a quick look at some examples. The higher your VIP level, the better the benefits. So keep upgrading to unlock even more perks. As a Hotcoin VIP, you'll enjoy a wide range of exclusive privileges. Being a VIP means faster service, better rates, and premium treatment across the entire platform. Want to upgrade even faster? Hotcoin offers a VIP fast-track program. Simply upload your VIP proof and trading records from other exchanges, and our team will evaluate your eligibility for an instant upgrade. Tap Apply for VIP Fast Track on your VIP page to learn more. You can also scroll down to read more about the VIP system's rules and guidelines. That's everything you need to know about the Hotcoin VIP system. Check your tier, unlock your benefits, and level up your trading experience today.